Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending May 1st, the major indexes moved higher as investors digested the week's economic data and corporate earnings. The Consumer Confidence Index surprised to the upside in April, increasing for the third consecutive month. The Home Price Index remained unchanged in February as 7 of the 9 regions saw home prices increasing year over year. The Middle Atlantic, East South Central, and the East North Central regions posted the strongest annual appreciation. Housing starts came in significantly stronger than expected in March, the highest level since December of 2024, up just under 11% year over year. Durable goods orders rose more than expected in March, largely driven by higher defense orders related to the Middle East conflict. The Federal Reserve kept the Fed funds rate, interest rate unchanged at 3.5 to 3.75%, citing economic activity is expanding at a solid pace. First quarter estimates for GDP came in at 2% quarter over quarter, largely due to strong performance by the U.S. government spending, which recovered from the government shutdown. The PCE index increased by 1.6% after increasing by 1.9% the previous quarter, primarily due to higher energy prices. Personal income increased by 0.6% in line with expectations. The personal savings rate declined to 3.6% due to the increase in the PCE index. And finally, the manufacturing index for April was unchanged from March, making the fourth consecutive month of expansion. Year to date, the Dow is up 3%, the S&P is up 5.6%, and the Nasdaq is up 8%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.4%. Oil closed at 101.4. Gold closed at $4,608.91 an ounce, with silver closing at $75.42 an ounce. For this week of May 4th, Tuesday we'll get the U.S. trade deficit, job openings, and new home sales. Wednesday, the ADP employment report will be reported. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, U.S. productivity data, construction spending, and consumer credit. And on Friday, the employment report, the unemployment rate, wholesale inventories, and consumer credit data all will be reported. And as always, we keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, call us to schedule a Zoom consultation to explore how our services may be beneficial to you. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.